Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you, this is an old friend of mine, very old friend of mine. It's actually older than me. This is my soak bin lathe. It's a little 2-room lathe, 9 by 18. Doesn't have a quick change gearbox, unfortunately. So you gotta, when you want to cut threads, you gotta use a series of gears to cut threads. But to me, this is just like the ultimate in lathe technology. I know there'll be a lot of people argue against this, but I'm going to tell you, this thing cuts really well. It's been around, like, you know, this design's been around since, I don't know, the basic design's been around, I think, since 1906 or something like that. This particular model was, I got this in 1989, and I'm the third owner. It was made in 1950. I know that because I had to get one of these, which happens to be your indicator for cutting threads. And when I called them up, they wanted the serial number, and I gave them the serial number, and they basically told me who had owned it previous and when it was made. And so this was made in 1950, and it was imported by a company, I think it's Williams. It's on the plate back there. This here, when I had the business going full time, I use this pretty well every day. It's just amazing how, you know, when you have a lathe, there's so many things you can do with it. And this lathe is all I really need, you know, for a lot of the small jobs that I do. I have a bigger lathe to do bigger jobs, but this is the one I use the most. Like I said, the only thing that I replaced was this here, or I had to buy one of these. I had to replace the motor. The motor was the original 1950 motor, and it burned out. And I replaced the motor. It only cost me $1,100, the whole unit. And I got a power hacksaw with it as well. It came with a 3-jaw chuck, a 4-jaw chuck, and a faceplate. And it came with a Williams set of cutters, or tool holders. It's a great little rig. I mean, and I just thought I would put this up to show you, you know, it runs great. It cuts great. For what it is. Nice smooth cut, and you know, once I get this down to size, then I'll change the tool bit and put a better what do I do with my links? Links.
You're always losing stuff down here.
Yeah, well, that's why I got like a bunch of different links. Yeah, I'm gonna take 12 more thou off that. Put it on the side. Anyway, I hope this is of interest to you, and I think every home should have a lathe. Right? I mean, the things that you can do with it, it's just amazing. Yeah, didn't fall in there. So anyway, if you get an opportunity to pick up a little soap pen like this, you got to make sure it's in good condition, though. Like, a lot of them are worn right out. But if you can find somebody who's got one in good condition, they're well worth it. It's a simple machine, very easy to fix. Although I haven't had to fix it. I mean, I've been using it now for 24 years. I've had it for 24. So anyway, till the next time.